Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two easiest way you can make your delicious banana chin chin. First, I'm going to start by adding 3 cups of flour into my large mixing bowl. And after that, I'll go ahead to add my baking powder, add some salt, add my sugar. After that, I'll use my hand mixer to make sure everything is properly combined together. Next, I'm going to add 3 banana into my bowl and mash. After mashing the banana, I will set it aside. Next, I will add in my butter. Then I will rub it into the flour till I get a good mix that feel like crumbs. Next, I will add in my egg, followed by my mashed banana, and after that, I will use my hand mixer to mix. Now I'm going to be kneading the dough with my hand. I'm going to knead until a ball of dough is formed. Next, I'm going to be adding some liquid milk for extra flavor, and after that, I will continue kneading the dough with my hand. Next, I'm going to transfer the dough to my silicone rolling mat. I'm going to continue kneading the dough until I get the perfect dough for my chin chin. And make sure your dough is not too hard or too soft. Now we go ahead to wrap my dough with a cling foil. And after that, I will leave the dough to rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll go ahead to unwrap my dough. Then I'll cut the dough into 9 parts with my kitchen knife. Next, take one portion of the dough, roll it on a flat surface until it becomes flat, and after that, use your kitchen knife or pizza cutter to cut your dough into any shape or size of your choice. Please guys, do not use flour to dust your chin chin because it causes the oil during frying to foam. If you mix your chin chin very well, there will be no need for dusting while cutting the chin chin. what my chin chin looks like after cutting it. First, I'm going to put some of the chin chin into my preheat oven. This is the first method of making chin chin. The second method is by frying. So I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil into my deep pot, and after that I'll go ahead to add in my cut chin chin. And also make sure you do not overcrowd the oil. After adding the chin chin, start stirring immediately with your spoon, shaking the spoon from side to side till all pieces of chin chin come apart. Once your chin chin turns light golden brown, scoop into a sieve or plate lined with a paper towel. Then repeat the same process with the rest of the raw chin chin. Next, I'm going to check on my chin chin in my oven. So I'm going to flip it to the other side for the both sides to bake well. Finally, my oven baked chin chin is done. Don't forget to take it out from the oven rack and allow it to cool down, and after that store it in a tight container. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.